Hey everyone, Lensman here and welcome back to Captain of Industry. Let's see where we're at. Right, we've got lots of stuff that we still need to do. This will eventually, just do that. It's fine, just build it, unpause it. There we go. Because we're going to need to dig into here eventually anyway. So what have we done? We've got the water tank now running. I've paused these pumps. Hopefully these guys don't run out of water. It should be okay. I did say at the end of the last episode that we probably need to upgrade these to better pipes. I'm not sure if there's an issue with the upgrade of pipes. There has been a little bit of discussion on the Discord about pipe upgrading, and I don't want to get stuck in there, but why didn't I get rid of this? I mean, I put a balancer in and then I don't bypass, whatever. My bad. Let's get rid of this piece of pipe. Otherwise we're just running water for no reason. Because it should be prioritizing on X. No. Why am I prioritizing on O and not X? We should be pushing this water first. To get rid of it, and then switching back to that one. Don't know why I had that set up like that. Right, things are happening. As I said, the oil was the thing that was bottlenecking us. And now the oil itself, getting it delivered to the island is going to be a bottleneck because we're now without oil. We're going to need to check out the map. We've got this guy. It's providing oil, but we need to find another oil site. We did see this one, new settlement, but we do need to see what we can do here. So they'll be coming in and refueling. So once it's refueled, maybe I need to keep that full. Once it's refueled, we'll be okay. Keep this full of diesel too. I mean, I've got this guy still here. Still got this little bit of fuel. They'll bring oil over here every now and then. And what do we got in the way of reserves? So we've got 21,000 oil here. I mean, I could kick one of them off and just let it run, but I don't know. Not sure. All right, how are we doing here? I probably want to run the belts from the copper mine, right? Run it down. Is this one? Did I feed iron into the copper mine? I did. I'm such a derp. Can I get rid of that, please? Such a derp. Alright, let's look at running a conveyor from here. U-shaped conveyor. This is out. Up to top level. There we go. Can I bring it down kind of in line? Bring it down to check that out. That's fantastic. I love it. Look at that winding belt. All right, now we'll get copper in here instead of actually trying to feed iron in, which was very silly of me. But that's okay. I can go this way for steel. I can go this way for iron, and then that's the smarter move. Okay, so we worked out we still need to bring the ammonia over, but at the moment that's just coming via tanker, via truck. No heavy oil, no fuel gas. Does this mean these aren't running? Just means we're constantly running on this. Oh, unpause. Got steam, we just don't have oil. And that's got steam, it just doesn't have oil as well. Alright, we are waiting for oil to be delivered. That's not good. Not good at all. Let's unpause these guys. Oil will be needed. Power Gen 3 research is complete. Not enough housing. Settlement's overcrowded. How did I get more housing? Oh, I got people from the village thing. Alright, upgrade this one. Let's quick deliver it. That gets the people back to where they need to be. Alright. Now I did say about hooking up the other bit of power because we are starting to spin this one. So let's look at power production. We've got the low pressure turbine which takes 4. Now there is talk of putting it all on the same shaft, so for me to do that I probably need to put it down here. Ideally you want these put out 2, so you want 1 low pressure probably running the same belt. But because of the way I've set this up, I'm gonna place it here and flip it. Can I not shift flip it? Why can I not do that? I could have sworn we could flip this. Because I want the input. This doesn't seem right. I could place it here. And then run the pipes all down one side. And I think that's the idea, is you would place this here. Oh, whatever. It's not efficient, I understand that. So this does one mechanical power. These do 512, so we want to switch this around. Like so. We're going to want the low pressure steam in on this side, and steam depleted will come out that side. Again, it's not ideal. Depleted steam, we should be now doing water recovery, which is good because that will give us the ability to recover this back to water and push it back into the system. Probably need one of these on the end too, right? But it does mean, as I said, we're going to lose this. We're going to lose our ability to run this off our depleted steam. So I'm going to need to pop a little boiler down here with a... Don't really want to use coal, but we're not producing enough of these things to keep it going. We are basically just running off coal at the moment, which these trucks are keeping up. Probably do need the 4th truck, don't I? Are you full of coal? Okay. Not terrible. Alright, let's pop the boiler in. Coal boiler. Again, not ideal. Coal and water. I mean... coal and water there. We can hook our... water up. Hook our... I don't really want to vent. I don't want to vent. I want to... kind of want to connect that over there. Which one's which? That's water in, this is steam in here, right? Oh, I love it. You'll be able to do both. And then our waste pipe come from here and go up to high. Cool. And then all I need is some like ugliest in belts. I don't want to bring it off here, don't I? It should be from the output of this. But I can't get that under there. Put it in the wrong spot. Part of me wants to feed it off the start. Come on, down through here. You go through there? No. It's unfortunate, but whatever. Oh, I love the spaghetti. How are we doing over here? Things are happening. Water recovery is kicking along. This is already starting. We haven't even got pipes. Oh, they do have pipes set up. Alright, so what I then need to do is start running this. So from here, across here, and then upwards, so. Into there. And then I will cut this pipe as soon as this is done. We might need to make this a number 2 actually. Maybe it would be smarter to pipe 2. Find out soon enough. Be full of steam in no time. Alright. Do this. You know, I'll probably end up... I'm going to get rid of this whole pipe. Because we're not going to need it, right? I'm going to be running on high pressure. Okay. This is almost ready. Just needs a little bit more construction 3. Till that happens, I may as well pause this guy. These guys are running on either. Yeah, I'll pause it for the moment. And keep running that the steam. Hopefully, at the same time we get this thing built and the water recovery built, we can do the depleted steam thing. But you can see how much we're needing this now with the extra little bit of power. This one kicks in a lot more than it used to. And we are still... got a bit of crude oil. Why are you not running? Are you running because you don't have any? Awesome. And you won't be running. We've got steam. What are you waiting for? Medium oil. What do you need? Light oil's full. Light oil. Got a lot of naphtha. Apparently there will be the ability to switch these in priority coming once it hits early access. We'll be able to move these up and down, but at the moment we can't. So when it's like this, it will prioritize this top one, even though I don't really want it to use coal for this procedure. Not the end of the earth, but we do need to kick things off. Let me re-pause that guy. So I'm going to need to, you know, and re-kicking things off will get us sulfur again. Water recovery is done. Let's go to water. No, it could be in power. Cooling tower. And that takes 8 high pressure and turns into 5 water, 8 low pressure and turns into 5 water, or 8 depleted and turns it into 5 water. So I'm going to put this guy over here. We're going to run some pipes. To the input. Cannot find valid pillar placement. Can you not go up high enough over that? Apparently we can. Okay, and then we're going to want to feed into the spaghetti here. Like, how can you not? Too close to the connector. Is that water? It's water feeding to that other boiler. There we go. You know, I'll need to put a balancer on it at some point, but this will keep us going. Apologies for being so close and being so noisy. You are out of power. Because we are out of power. Come on. Build this. What am I waiting on? They're just slowly ticking it over. It's getting there. Now it's waiting on construction part 2. There it is. Slowly, slowly, right? This needs it as well, so they've actually pushed it to here when they should have gone to this one. Because I guess at the moment I could have vented it. Cool, so there's nothing happening in research at the moment. Let's have a real quick look in the research area. What could we set up? I mean, electric assemblies. Cargo depot 2. Could do electrolysis to get hydrogen. What alternative? Let's do this. It gives us iron, wood, and concrete slab for construction parts. It's in the normal assembly. Yep, it's just a faster assembly. Wood alternative. Glass and steel as household goods. This is a temporary fix for beta. Oh, okay. So you can use steel in your construction parts instead of wood. I get it. Mixer 2. High-powered mixer that creates concrete. This provides all alternative recipes for concrete. I mean, like, doesn't concrete mixer do that anyway? It's got water in it. Anyway. Cargo depot 2. There's bigger cargo depots. Racking unit to get naphtha down to diesel. Salt production, which is needed in glass. Corn farming. We need to get corn seed for that. So let's do this one for now. Hope for the best. Let's put the priority up on this guy. No, not that one. This one. 9, wasn't it? I mean, look, they both need to be built, and I get that. Okay, so we're still generating water. It's good. So everything seems to be doing okay. A lot of material getting dumped here. I hope it doesn't destroy this pickup, but a little bit of sand. Maybe a little bit of sand being dropped here. It's only a problem if they don't have somewhere to store it. We're mainly only going to get sand from this one. Oh, sorry, and limestone one. How are we going for limestone? We're good. The tower's paused. No, it shouldn't have anything. No, nothing assigned. This tower is okay. He's digging well into here. Good. So we are doing okay with our services. Water and electricity are in here. We need to get water down to the... Yep. So we need to run a pipe. If there's any water left by the time it gets down here. This one's water, right? Yeah, there's not a lot of water left in this pipe by the time it gets all the way down this end. Being used by everything on the way. So like ideally this thing should really be pushing water. But I'm thinking really pushing water this way. There's not a lot going to the rest of the base. There it goes finally. A lot, you know, because we're not supplementing with these guys now. Do I need a third decel? I'm gonna need another boiler. That's the case because these need 4, so one boiler runs 2 of these. Oh look, the water reclamation's done, but this hasn't been constructed yet. Oh boy, priorities are right, people. Into pipework here. Still waiting on delivery. Burning the coal. Yeah, we're not actually using all the depleted steam. It is ending up venting. But I don't want to stop those. I don't want to stop the power generation. Pickup cannot reach destination. What are you trying to reach? And this ramp's not good enough for you? Okay, let's re-enable the dumping stockpile, I guess. I honestly thought they'd be able to drive up here. Where that? Can you go somewhere else? Just that chunk, eh? So they couldn't get through there. And now they worked it out. Hopefully I go to this stuff first, but it was just that chunk. No, they're going to the closest stuff. Because of course they are. Huh? Hey, whatever, as long as you guys don't get stuck again. Confusing. Couldn't get here, but they could drive through here and get... Next. Next, how are we going with our ship? It has fuel. You've got fuel. And you've just brought back a load of diesel. Okay, cool. Should we check this one? Let's explore this location. It's probably going to have baddies. I do need to work on upgrading the ship with the other piece of armor. Maybe we've got enough iron plates for that now. Keep it full. We've got 180 in there, so, and then that one's full and that one's full, so couldn't hurt. Do that upgrade. Ship has to be repaired. Of course it does. Oh, we can get the cargo ship actually. Let's start loading the ship for this stuff. They'll bring the 240 iron plates over to the shipyard. Got some diesel and impure copper and some cement in here still. You hopefully will be going backwards and forwards. Unless they're... Oh, oil's gone. They would be waiting for this to fill. So I need to find another... Oh, we're down here already. I need to find another oil well. Radar system. Okay, whatever that is. Radar system, that's a new one. It'll be a tech, I guess. Not sure. Fuel tank updates all up here. I don't know if you can search in this for radar. Ship engine 2. Fuel station 2. Starting to get up into the large excavators and things like that, which is very, very cool. We need to do some glass making soon. Wastewater treatment. Alright, so you're back. You need to be repaired. But you're also loading up the iron. Smashed our iron delivery. Power's bad. Unloading cargo for damaged cargo ship. Can I send it then? No, that's not that one. Oops. It was this one. My bad. It's fine. Once it's modified, we will send it over and get the other cargo ship. I don't think that's going to help us right at this very second because we don't have a dock. Oh, come on, guys. It's ridiculous. We're on full speed too. Do I? Just finished it. Go to the electric assembler. I don't have the power at the moment. Gonna cost me 40. Let's get the power going first. I have to kick the diesel gens in if I have to. Right. How are we doing for iron? Let's have a look at our designations. Let's dig it all out. Don't know how I'm doing that. Do that, but it would let me do that anyway. It's fine. Alright, we're good. That one's good. What do you like over here? So this is just the flat one. We haven't done too much with it. We will be needing to do some more soon. So I've got this hump here. What would be nice would be a button that you can click on here and it clears out all of the stuff that is already at level. That would be nice. So, you know, all that flat stuff like where I've done that one there. You can have all these ones that are shaded. Hit a button and it clears all the right ones. Not sure how easy that is to do, but just an idea. Guys are pumping away. We're down here processing, polluting everything, and making people generally unhappy. Oh, it's done. Look, just before the end of the episode, it's done. We are good here. Okay, cool. So this is where I go pop, get rid of that. And then go unpause. Fire that up. This can all be removed now. Bringing this in over here. So let me get rid of balancer, this bit of pipe, and this bit of pipe. And then we're on pure high pressure steam to run our decels. And this one's running. Cargo depot 2 and assembly 2 are now done. Very good. So now this is running. It's waiting for... Yeah, look. We may need to upgrade this guy. I can quick deliver that. See if that helps with the outfeed. Oh, it certainly does. So I guess all I need to do now is maybe upgrade these ones. And I do know there are some issues where it won't work. Hopefully that's been patched out and fixed, but not 100% sure. You just have nothing, right? What's going on over here? Full of medium. Full of medium. Don't have any naphtha. What are you waiting on? You are literally waiting on input. Diesel. I've got too much diesel. Not a bad place to be. Awesome. Alright, wrapping up point. We got a bit more of the spaghetti cleaned up. Got the rest of our power gen up and running, so we now have up to 1.5 megawatts that we can flex to. The ship is probably upgraded now. Yes, it's got the thing. Let's quickly hit the map and say, please deliver. And then we now have the second armor plate, which is nice. Awesome. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Comments down below. Hope you are enjoying the series, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.